swag, bitch.
Hello everybody, we are playing Pixelgun 3D today. So, how to play this is just you got weapons, you got and guys, tell me what your name is in Pixelgun 3D and put people who want to friend you can friend you. People like me, I can friend you. My name is Shy. So let's get started. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. So if you guys thought I was gonna leave, you were incorrect. Tell me in the comments down below if you thought I was gonna leave. 3, 2, 1. Like, finger do? What did my finger do? Oh! What do we do, everybody? I think we're gonna lose. If you didn't see the last video called Red Ball 4, please come put in the comments down below and check how good it is. No! Oh my god, you killed me! Oh my god! It's such a heavy shrinking arm. Can you go to medium? I don't know. I think I saw the spikes. Oh, it's been a second! It's been a second. I don't think I'm gonna do it. There's no regret. Do something Wednesday. Ain't not gonna lose. No. Oh, I thought it was gonna kill me. Oh, the alien guy killed him. Why did he throw his grenade? And why do I hear this the other dude doing his I thought because I wanted to follow you around and nobody's around. Yeah, I'm not sure if you want to get it. No, legendary. I really Dragon Breath, and they also really have the Dragon Team. They're both really good. Just guys, you should buy them if you play this game. Some of my friends play this game. We are gonna play. What are we gonna play? I forgot. Oh yeah, Deadly Games. I'm gonna play Stadium. Stadium's my favorite. Oh yeah. I haven't played Science for a minute, I think, or later. I'll be back. I'm still be playing. But I'm not gonna. Oh my God! OMG! Ronald OMG! Oh yeah, kill. Who's killing me? I killed Ronald 7. Oh yeah, she died. I'm gonna be silent for a minute. Bye. I'm gonna be silent. I'm not actually leaving. I'm gonna play. Oh, look the weapon! Back. I'm talking. It's not a minute. Is he waiting for me? Oh! I thought he was waiting for me. Oh, I like that weapon. Yeah. Can I get health, please? That's not how you get health. Don't you know how to play the games? How did you not see me? It's so is fair. No, it isn't. That's not how you get health. Exactly, just what I thought. I forget document. Oh, I only got 3 more bleeds. 3 more bleeds, please. No. I wish I could chat, but I don't. My mom said I'm not allowed to. Oh, come on. I don't feel like I want to hit him. Oh, I missed. He died. Yay. It's a demon kill. Guys, I didn't see that. Tell me if it's a demon kill or something else in the comments down below. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna play this and oh wait, where's the last guy? Please, no. Go frag yourself. Get hit. Oh, that's a special. Oh my God. Jump. Yes. Get that. Okay. Oh, I see the other guy. I see his name tag. I Oh, I missed. I think I missed. Oh, he killed me. Guys, did you see that? Tell me what he killed me with. Please. The rest are not allowed to watch my videos anymore. I'm kidding. Guys, I think I forgot to say this. I don't know. I don't remember. But please check my other videos out called Red Buff 4. I'm going to play Scary Pixie and Cop-Ops Survival. I got this. Oh. Bro, I'm already in 3rd place. Now I'm back in 4th place. Oh. I didn't get any points. This guy killed them all. Oh, how did he miss that, guys? Guys, I don't know how that guy missed it, but how? I'm a Pikachu, guys. If you haven't seen that and we're wondering why I'm this on, cause I'm a Pikachu. I'm a Pika. Oh, I missed as well, like the other guy in train depot. I don't know. I just ignore that. If you heard that, just ignore it. Cause I heard it. Oh, I got shield. Ooh. Oh, special. Oh, no. Oh, I almost got hurt. I almost died. Oh, double kill. Why is the mirror smashed and they're like bleeding out blood? Are they a human? They're probably human. Dun dun dun. Oh, there we go. Yay. Teaming. Oh, sniper. Yes, I like this weapon. I don't want to reload. Oh, no, I shouldn't have wasted my bullet, but it's worth it. But I still have 4,000 points and I can't get to. What I meant to say was, oh my god, I still have, guys. I gotta go. Bye, guys. See you guys next time.